Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about fruit farming. Fruit farming is the practice of growing fruits such as apples, oranges, pears, plums, cherries, and many others. It is an important industry that provides us with fresh and delicious fruits that we can enjoy every day. One of the main advantages of fruit farming is that it is a sustainable business that does not harm the environment. Instead, it helps to protect the environment by reducing the carbon footprint and conserving natural resources. Fruit farming also requires less water and fertilizer than other agricultural crops, which makes it an environmentally friendly practice. Another advantage of fruit farming is that it provides employment opportunities for many people. From farmers to packers and distributors, the fruit industry employs a lot of people. This is especially true in developing countries where the fruit industry is growing rapidly. Fruit farming also provides an important source of food for people around the world. In many countries, fruits are a staple food item that is consumed regularly. For example, in the United States, apples are one of the most popular fruits, and they are grown on more than 2.5 million acres of land. This means that there is a continuous demand for fresh and delicious fruits, which is why fruit farming is an important industry. However, fruit farming is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the availability of suitable land for farming. In many areas, there is not enough land to grow all the fruits that people want to eat. This means that farmers have to compete for land with other industries such as agriculture and urbanization. Another challenge is the price of fruits. Fruits are not cheap, and they can be expensive depending on the type of fruit and where it is grown. This means that farmers may not be able to make a profit on every crop, which can be a problem for small-scale farmers. Despite these challenges, fruit farming is an important industry that provides us with fresh and delicious fruits that we can enjoy every day. It also provides employment opportunities for many people and helps to protect the environment. So, if you are interested in starting a fruit farm, I would encourage you to do so. With the right resources and support, you can be successful in this industry. Thank you for listening.